Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a crypto mining farm. First, research which cryptocurrencies are currently most profitable to mine. Next, choose the right mining hardware, like a SiC or GPUs, that aligns with your chosen coin. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for consistent operation. Finally, plan for a robust power supply and efficient cooling to manage the significant heat generated by your equipment. Once your hardware is ready, install the correct mining software. Configure your operating system, often Linux for efficiency, to maximize your rig's performance. Joining a reputable mining pool is essential. It combines your computing power with others to find blocks more consistently. Don't forget to set up a secure cryptocurrency wallet to safely receive and store your mining rewards. Power and cooling are critical for any mining farm. Accurately calculate your total power consumption to avoid overloads and manage costs. Implement efficient cooling systems, such as air or liquid immersion, to keep hardware temperatures optimal, ideally below 63 degrees Celsius. Regularly monitor temperatures to prevent damage. Exploring renewable energy options can significantly reduce your operational expenses and environmental impact. Ongoing monitoring and maintenance are key to a successful mining farm. Continuously track your farm's performance, including hash rates and power usage, using specialized software. Regularly update your mining software and hardware firmware to ensure peak efficiency and security. Keep your equipment clean to prevent dust buildup and maintain optimal airflow. Finally, consider reinvesting a portion of your earnings to expand your farm and increase future profitability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.